It's no secret that one of the most significant environmental problems that the world faces today is climate change. The issue of climate change has been frequently discussed both domestically in Australia and internationally through economic forums such as the G20 meetings. The consequences of climate change are difficult to reverse and are of a global concern.
We are the ones that are going to face the consequences. It's our generation that's going to be dealing with these issues in the not so distant future.
So what exactly is climate change? Climate change, or in other words global warming, is caused by the emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide and methane into the Earth's atmosphere.
The cause of global warming is humans inputting all these chemicals into the atmosphere.
There are numerous sources of carbon emissions that facilitate the process of climate change in Australia. One of the main contributors of carbon emissions is the burning of fossil fuels for electricity. Additionally, the emissions of greenhouse gases by motor vehicles such as cars, buses and trucks also contribute heavily to the climate change problem.
People are largely responsible for the changes that we are seeing in climate and that we will be seeing in climate in the future.
Climate change is expected to have major consequences unless action is taken. By 2030, it is estimated that Australia will face a 25% increase in days of very high or extreme fire danger and an increase in severe weather events such as storms and bushfires.
I really don't think there's enough being done by a lot of nations that could do better. Yeah, sure, we've started a process in Australia, America's getting underway, and everyone else is talking about it, but until you get the most polluting nations, and most of them are in developing countries, to come on board, it's going to be very, very difficult to get a solution to global warming.